NX from Siemens Digital Industries software, removing the barriers to innovation. There are many good reasons additive manufacturing is transforming product design and development. From accelerating innovation, to creating parts that weren't possible before, to reducing weight while improving strength and performance, and more. Siemens NX leads the industry in additive manufacturing because of our unique holistic approach, making Siemens NX your solution of choice to maximize the benefits of additive manufacturing. NX streamlines the process for your entire team, from design to printed part, with seamless integration that eliminates the need to convert and remodel parts between applications, revolutionizing what was previously a time-consuming process with potential for errors. Built-in design validation ensures your parts can be properly manufactured early in the process, reducing time, material, and costs. And our suite of integrated simulation solutions enable you to validate designs earlier and predict potential manufacturing issues so you get the right results the first time you print your parts. NX's breakthrough features accelerate the creation of complex and mixed geometry parts. Topology optimization empowers you to quickly and automatically achieve optimal designs while reducing iterations and avoiding costly redesigns. The integrated lattice tool simplifies lattice structure design inside solid parts while lightweighting components. And you can easily edit the lattice's facets using Siemens convergent modeling technology. The Siemens Digital Industries software portfolio delivers unparalleled speed, efficiency, and productivity to industrialized additive manufacturing, breaking down critical barriers to innovation.